चलिए, abstract noun is usually name of quality, action and state considered apart from the object to which it belongs. Or you can say, abstract noun is a noun which indicates quality, action and state rather than a concrete object, or you can say abstract noun, comma, the word for quality and things we cannot see or touch. The thing which do not have physical reality. Next, you can say that abstract noun is a noun. Abstract noun may be defined, or you can say abstract noun फिर देखा फिर क्लियर आ रहा है कि नहीं, लाल वाला abstract noun क्लियर उठ रहा है कि नहीं, लाल वाला ठीक है. abstract noun may be defined as the name as usual as the name of quality, action or state that the thing without having physical reality, का मतलब है फर्स्ट चीज कि abstract noun is a noun is the usually abstract noun is a noun is the usually name of quality, action or state considered apart from the object to which it belongs. Next decision is abstract noun is a noun which indicates quality, action and state. जा रहे हो आएगा. abstract noun is a noun which indicates quality, action and state rather than the concrete. कॉन्क्रीट ऑब्जेक्ट। कहने मतलब इसका मतलब ये होता है कि एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन वह नाउन है जो कि गुण कार्य अवस्था का बोध कराता है, लेकिन किसी को एक फिजिकल रियलिटी नहीं होती है। ये जो शारीरिक या वैसे कोई इसकी वास्तविकता नहीं होती है। दैट इट इज टोल्ड दैट इट कैन बी सीन, नॉट इट कैन बी टच्ड, etc. That it is told that it has physical reality. That's why question does not arise to see or to touch it. Next is after now the word for quality and thing, the things without having which does not have physical reality. वही इसका सेम मीनिंग वही होती है कि इसकी दूसरे कहा गया है फर्स्ट डिफिनेशन में कि considered apart from the object to which it belongs का मतलब में फिजिकल जस्टिस का मतलब इसमें भी वही होता है कि जो कि न छुआ जा सकता है न तो देखा जा सकता है, क्योंकि इसकी कोई फिजिकल रियलिटी नहीं होती है, शारीरिक या वैश्विक इसकी वास्तविकता नहीं होती है। दैट्स व्हाई इट इज टोल्ड दैट दिस इज दैट्स इट इज कॉल्ड एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन। इट इज कॉल्ड एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन। इट इज कॉल्ड नेक्स्ट दैट डिसीजन एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन मे बी एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन मे बी डिफाइंड एज विजुअल एज the name of quality, action and state, the thing without having the physical reality. वही बात same meaning this sentence also having. This sentence also is having the same meaning what I have explained about this first definition and second definition. Right? Now examples. Now examples. Examples. Quality. As it is well known to you that quality, this other it includes, it contains the words which are made from the adjective words. The words which are taken example in quality, all the words are made from adjective words. That's why this is a quality. Very well, quality means गुण होता है. So kindness, hardness, goodness, badness, honesty, softness, hardness, badness, brightness, etc. You see, here all the words, kindness means kind, hardness means hard, goodness means good, and badness is taken from bad, honesty is taken from honest, softness is taken from soft, and badness is taken from bright. They are taken as the example in this. They are the example of abstract noun. Next is action. उसकी डिफिनेशन ही है. डिफिनेशन इज नाउन वह नाउन है, वह संख्या है जो कि गुण, कार्य विधि और अवस्था को संकेत करता है, अवस्था के गुण को बताता है. उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन कहते हैं. एक्शन, एक्टिविटी, race, movement, judgment, movement, judgment, laughter, judgment, laughter, hatred, laughter, hatred, means all the words are converted in action from the word. Word may form, word forms the abstract noun. Abstract noun may be converted by adding in the end of somewhat later on. I will discuss about this. Activity, race, movement, judgment, laughter, hatred, and theft. You see, all the words in action, the examples are taken, they are taken from act, run, move, judge, laugh, hate, and thief. It is very clear in the example that state. That is a state. State means sleep. State means अवस्था. अवस्था होता है यहाँ पर. Sleep. Childhood. Boyhood. Childhood. Sleep. Childhood. Boyhood. Death. Slavery, इसमें आएगा bravery and warmth. etc. This is sleep, childhood, boyhood, death, sleep, slavery, poverty, etc. Besides these, the book of arts and sciences, such as arithmetic, या mathematics, you can say like this, mathematics, physics, chemistry, music, etc. Besides these quality exercise statement of what example I have taken in this, besides these examples, other examples means the name of the books, other arts books are there, science books such as physics, chemistry, and music. These are also example of abstract. These are also example of abstract noun. Example of abstract noun. Besides abstract noun example, besides the abstract noun example, besides the abstract noun example, abstract noun example, abstract noun example, other example, other nouns example, other nouns nouns may be seen, touched, may be seen, touched, smelled, and tasted also. Now to form this abstract noun, there are some words. They may be taken and added. They may be taken and added in the end of the words, i.e. such as i.e. ty, ence, age, hood, ness, shipment, shipment. Now I am going to take some example of this. Let's take cruelty. Examples. Cruelty. Cruel. get after avoiding the last words of the words, then bondage can be converted in singular numbers, or plural numbers cannot be converted. This is the point of this. Right? Now, some important notice. I'm going to explain some important notice. Important notice means कि you see the proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun, and material noun cannot form the plural. But common noun may form the plural. But one thing is the singular, singular countable noun. This common countable noun can be changed into plural, but uncountable noun, but the uncountable common noun cannot be changed into plural. Some important